Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Said you don't know mama's getting hot. Got her bills to drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just, it's mad late. It's girl, it's 9:05. It's 9:05 and I'm actually about to take this hair down. I've had these braids in for 3 fucking months. Okay, 3 months, and it's time to go. I refreshed the front as much as I could, but I can't no more. And my braider is in town. My braider is in town, so you best believe I had to grab her. I had to get a hold of her. So we gonna take these braids out. I don't know how much braids it is. I'm not counting. We just gonna go at it. I'm gonna take them out. I got my J roll because I'm gonna need it. Take them out. It's gonna be a hair vlog. I can't wait to feel like a bad bitch again. I'm gonna have a whole facelift. Like, I want to look like snatched. Okay, period. So I just came in to do my little intro, say hi to y'all before we start getting everything together. Okay, like I said, it's late as fuck right now and it's just what it is. I don't know when I'm gonna finish taking my braids out, but we getting these bad boys out. Period. Yeah, so I'll just see y'all when I start the process and in between and all that good stuff. Okay, see ya. Hey bitches, I'm sorry I didn't get back to y'all last night. I was tired when I finished taking my hair out. I finished like around 1 o'clock, so I went right to sleep. So here we are. Enjoy it. We finna smoke. Y'all not gonna hear nothing because I'm gonna put my music over it, but yeah, my hair is growing. Period. 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 Say hi, Mercedes, and what's your Instagram?
Is __MXB_. Hit me up for all your braid needs.
Period. And I'm gonna tag her and all that stuff below and all that good shit, okay? Bye. I'm done talking. I'm done talking. So I'm tired, Grandpa.
Well, that's too damn bad. Keep on digging.
Keep me a stick if they purge.
I'm in my drop top, who's in the streets, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I just wanna pull up, anticipating good love. Don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take the talk, take the peace, nice and quiet. There ain't no one better to interrupt. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't
Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP, QP, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties is up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wish. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties is up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody with me.
You so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for $1, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. Look, she tried to lock a nigga down like a Brinks truck. No, not me, I done had enough. So better luck next year. I'm forever shiesty bitch for cocaine, I'm out here. And lot of mix, I almost didn't make it out. These links and drinks with bitches sure to take a nigga out and set a nigga up. You need a real nigga pass just to sit with us. But shorty at the bar got a breast sitting up. And if that tab come with ass, I'll pick it up. I'm trying to get with you and your friends, because y'all look like twins, little mama. You so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for $1, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. She want a nigga with some ends. She want a nigga that's gon' spend. She want a nigga with a Benz, but it's not me. I ain't really in it trickin', cause you wasn't with me pitching when I was getting all that chicken in this lobby. You bad as ever, you bad as hell, but your package with the extras, baby, I couldn't tell that you had all that baggage and the trip to jail, so we can't be friends, girl, that shit best sell. You so bad, little mama, but girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for $1, so we can't be friends. So we can't.
Okay, y'all, so it's day 3. I noticed that I didn't do a proper intro, so here I am. You guys, when I tell y'all I love my hair, like I love my hair real bad. Like me and my hairstylist braider go together real bad. When I said sent across the board, she ate it, she executed it, every detail exactly how I wanted it. The hair is very lightweight, like I barely feel anything. I barely feel like I have a damn ponytail, y'all. And I did use human hair from one of my old wigs for the boho pieces. Like, I just look so pretty. The hair makes me look, it just makes me feel pretty. It looks exactly how I want it to look. It fits my face. Everything is just perfect, y'all. Like, she did such a great job. But I hope you guys like this little vloggy vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your girl, okay? I'm really dropping videos after videos after videos. I know y'all see it. All right? So thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.